Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th physics chapter number 7, classification of element, and you can say the periodic table, right? So we are going to see all the important question for the board exams. Like this is for the especially for the TH and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana State Board in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so they can, according to the recommendation, they can watch, right? So let's see this paper. All right. Well, so 22 pages in this one, so I will try to cover this as soon as possible for me, so I will cover it. Okay, so let's see that one here. All right. Okay, so whenever I stop for little bit, okay now, so 2-3 seconds I will stop, okay now, whenever. Okay now, so if you think like this video is going to be very fastly, so you can decrease the speed of a video, then you can easily watch. Okay now, right? So I hope is it clear for you. Question number 14 to 15 is it? Okay now, 16 to 18. Here you can see. All right, so if it is clear, then see the question number 19 to 20. Okay, then 21 you can see. Oh, I'm sorry for that one. Actually, in my marks sometimes it is going to be zoom and zoom out. So actually mostly it is going to be zoom out only, not zoom in. Okay now, so I'm really sorry for that one. Okay, right. So is it clear for you? All right, so let's come to the here and you can see. Okay, right. So question number 13-3, question number 13-4 you can also see, and question number 35, 36, 37 is it till here, and question number 37, what is the mean by the second ionization energy? Okay, right. So you can see this chapter is most important for the chemistry in your intermediate first year. Okay now, because intermediate first year it is very important. Okay now, because as I experienced, because I studied intermediate but 2 times I dropped it. Okay, 2 years I already dropped it intermediate, so you can if you know how I studied, then you will going to be laugh only. Okay, right. Is it clear for you? Well, so see the 2 mark question here. Okay, right. Question number 2 you can see. And then here you can see. All right, then metal and non-metal, what is the difference between metal and non-metal? Okay now, you have to make sure here only chemistry chapter is very very important. Remember, whenever you get chemistry chapter, these are the very important chapters. Okay now, right. So let's see that here. Okay, and then you can see this one. Is it clear for you? Well, so you can see 4 mark question also. So 4 mark question is also important. Okay now, so 4 mark questions start from here. So let's see this one by one here. Okay, question number 2 you can see, that's the answer. And then here you can see question number 3 is also clear. Then see the answer of that one. Question number 4, and that's the answer of that one. Question number 5, and here is the answer of that one. Is it clear? Right. So then see, come to the here and question number 6. I live in the city, so you can listen some other type of voice also, so make sure that. All right, but doesn't matter. Let's see it here. Okay, is it clear for you? Well, if it is clear, then see here. Then question number 8 you can see. Right, then here you can see question number 9. Then here you can go. All right, so then question number 10. Okay, And if it is clear, then come to the here. Do you know? So actually this is a very important question here. Do you know? Okay now. So this type of question is very important according to me and according to anyone. If you hear, so you can see that one. Okay now. Right, so let's see that. Okay. All right. So it is important, it's going to be important, right? So well, it is still here only. Okay now, so whatever in this, it is still here only. And if you're looking for the more chapters and question answer, important question answer, click on the description and check out from there. I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet another video. Jai Hind.